namaste, welcome to Bree Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. Okay, so if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. Or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much. So whenever you subscribe, please press on the notification bell so you can get updated whenever I upload. So today's pick a card reading is about what you don't see coming, the unexpected. So that is going to be the reading for today, and in the description box I have my Instagram page, and the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay, so remember, these are timeless and general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. So we have 3 butterflies over here. You can select one butterfly. Okay, so for group number 1, we have this red color butterfly. Okay, we have this color 1 for group number 1. So close your eyes, relax, connect with yourself, let go of all the worries, connect with your intuition, and choose a butterfly that calls to you. So this is for group number 1. This is for group number 2. And this butterfly is for group number 3. So close your eyes, relax, connect with yourself, and select a butterfly that calls to you, or select a pile that calls to you. The timestamps will be in the list in the description box. Okay, so watch accordingly. So I'm gonna go with group number 1. Group number 1, if you chose this red color butterfly, let's see what you don't see coming now. Okay, the unexpected. So with this red color, there is going to be a lot of passion. So if you are feeling a little low, if your energy is not so good, maybe you are procrastinating, or maybe you have some pending works, you're not doing that, maybe you have some goal and you're not taking action right now. I see that kind of energy for you guys, but what you don't see coming, that you will have this energy back. Okay, you will be back in your full power. So whatever the pending works are there, you will be able to finish it very easily. You will have that energy, you will be motivated. Okay, so that kind of vibe, I feel like a lot of motivation. So if you have if you have stopped doing exercise, maybe you will start doing it. Okay, you will have that energy. That is what I feel like. There is going to be an energy shift for you guys. Yeah, that is what is happening for you guys. So look, we have the first one is focus. We have number 5, and again we have this blue butterfly here. With this blue butterfly, there is definitely going to be a lot of opportunities coming your way. So if you do freelancing or something like that, maybe if you're in a creative field, definitely I see a lot of opportunities coming your way. Like maybe people want to collaborate with you, something about that I feel. And with this water energy, always trust your intuition whenever you get an opportunity. That is very important for you guys. But definitely I see a lot of opportunity, a lot of change happening for you guys. Okay, so right now, if you're feeling demotivated, if you're feeling that you're not getting the opportunity, you're not getting many chances, I see that you will be getting in the near future. Okay, so for some of you, it's like one day you will get up and you will start meditating. There is going to be this energy shift. There is going to be some shift in your awareness also. I feel like the way you think right now is not going to be the way you think in the future. There is going to be that change, a lot of changes happening from inside. That is what I feel. And when we change from inside, the outside change, right? That is what I feel for you guys. And for some of you, maybe you are trying to do something with makeup or something like that, experimenting new styles. Just go for it. Maybe you will change your look also. Like if you don't do eye makeup and all, maybe you will start doing it. Okay, maybe if you're if you don't like wearing t-shirts, maybe you'll start wearing it. If you don't like wearing dresses, maybe you'll start. I feel like you are going to surprise yourself, and that is what you don't see coming. Okay, that is also, and you're going to be very, very focused also. As I said, right now you're not so focused, you're not so in alignment with your desire. I feel like that is shifting for you guys. You're going to be very aligned with your desire. You're going to put that effort, and you will be manifesting the exact things you want, because what's best for you. Okay, and I feel like your intuition, definitely your intuition is going to be strong with the water element. For many of you, I also feel like that you might try to do work from home also, I'm getting. um, okay, yeah, if for some of you, maybe you will quit a job that is not working for you guys and you will start something from home. Yeah, that is also I feel like. Oh wow, look, we have man holding a coin. So something unexpected is a person coming into your life. Maybe this person might be an earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. This person, for some of you, I feel like this person might help you with finances, might provide you with good opportunities that will help you grow your finances, and you will be like, wow, yeah, yeah, you will be. This will be very unexpected. That is what I feel like. Maybe if you work, maybe if you're a freelancer or something, you will get an unexpected opportunity, like there will be like a lot of increase in your wealth, in your finances. That is what I feel like. For some of you, this person can be like a love offer, that will be very unexpected. Okay, but this person is very stable. Okay, if you're a male, I feel like your finances are going to be stable. You don't have to worry too much about your finances. Just keep on working, because whatever you're working on, all you need to do is to focus on your work, and everything will be okay. Okay, so yeah, for some of you, it's also I feel like you will be focusing a lot on spirituality also. I feel like maybe you were a little bit distant, maybe you used to do meditation, right now you're not doing it, but I see that you will be coming back to it also. Okay, there is a lot of conversations happening. I feel you will be texting someone. Yeah, unexpectedly, some friend of yours will text you, and you will start chatting with this person, and you will feel sometimes what happen when we feel lonely and alone. Yeah, so and at that time someone will text you, and you will be like chatting with this person, and you will feel that energy again. You will feel motivated. So someone is going to, I feel for some of you, someone is going to text you unexpectedly, and this will motivate you a lot. This person might give you good advice also, I feel like. Okay, and because of that you will be able to focus again in your work. Okay, maybe I feel you're a little bit distracted right now, and that distraction is gonna go. Okay, so yeah, wizard of awareness. Your intuition is going to be pretty strong. For some of you, I even feel like you will practice mindfulness, or if you're starting, yeah, yeah. For some of you, I feel like you'll practice mindfulness, or maybe reading books about it, or maybe reading books about manifestation. Also is something what I see for you guys, like how I can work with universe, how can I meditate, and how can I create the dream reality I want. Maybe you'll focus on that also. Or maybe for some of you, I even feel like you will be like scrolling through your YouTube page, and unexpectedly you will find some video that will help you change your mood, or and you will be very focused, because this video will help you to get back into track or something like that. That is also, I feel like that will be very unexpected for you guys. Okay, with this wizard of awareness, definitely your observation skills are on point. Remember that you're very intuitive. You know what's best for you guys. So sometimes things doesn't work. So when things doesn't work, all you need to do is take a step back and see from a different perspective, and you will know what you're doing that is not working for you guys. So it's important. Or maybe you can, I feel someone is out there who will give you good advice also. Someone, yeah, I feel like uh, someone is there. I'm definitely seeing like chatting messages. I feel like you will be chatting a lot with a person. Some message, yeah. This conversation with this person will help you so much. Or maybe this person will suggest some books or something that will help you. Uh, help you, you will get you help you observe things, and see things from a different perspective. Okay, so yeah, for some of you, if you're manifesting, I see a little bit of manifestations coming. You're believing in you will be starting to believe in your manifestation. So I feel right now your faith is a little bit shaky, but in the future, the thing is that you're getting out of that energy. You're not going to be like, no, you'll be very hopeful, and you'll be very focused. That is what I feel like. Okay, I'm very attracted to this full moon energy. Maybe you have manifested something in the last full moon. Yeah, I feel like so believe in your manifestations, okay? Definitely. Let's see. Yeah, many masks, the authentic self. Look, interestingly, we have three here, we have three here, and we have three here also. So maybe you are seeing number 333s, or maybe your life path number 33. That is also quite possible, but definitely with this 333 coming here, remember that you are protected. Remember that universe will help you in your manifestation, and you're growing, you're evolving, you're expanding. Okay, for some of you, yeah, your observation skills are going to be on point, your focus is going to be on point. um, and yeah, you're in. So if any opportunity comes up, if a new person comes your way, you will know it in your gut that if this person or this opportunity will be good for you guys or not. So definitely your intuition is very stronger, and you will not even realize that, but definitely you will know if if it's good or not. And remember, mask, yeah, with this mask also I'm feeling you can see through the mask, right? Your intuition is going to be very strong here. And for some of you, you are removing the mask. I feel sometimes we need to wear a mask. Everyone wear a mask, and it's okay. But yeah, for you guys, you're getting more authentic with yourself. You're getting like connected with your heart center, I feel like, because you have been wearing this mask for so long, like because of our parents or because of the society, we have been wearing a mask. For some of you, you are definitely you might be removing your mask, and I feel you will be opening up to a person. That is also something I feel like. Yeah, I told you, I saw a lot of chat messages. Maybe you will be opening up to a friend or to a person, and you will feel very good. You will be showing your true self. For some of you, that is what I feel like. You are going to be the authentic self you are. You're not becoming someone else. Sometimes in relationship we do, right? For some of you, if you're getting into a new relationship, I see that you will be showing your true self. You're not going to hide your true self, and you will be proud of yourself, and you will be surprised by yourself. Wow, I did that. I was always afraid about that thing, but I did it. I just said what I had to say. I'm not wearing a mask, and you will be like, wow, I did it. Because maybe in the past you have always sometimes we hide things, right, because of our own insecurities. But I see that you're not going to hide it anymore. You will be like, I'm proud of myself, and this is the thing I endured in my life, and I don't care what others think, and I'm going to share it anyway. If this person can accept that, then it's best. Otherwise, why I should be with this person? Like something like that, I feel like. Okay, but definitely, if you have been working on your finances, if you have been working on your career, definitely there is going to be a little bit more focus. You will be putting more energy into that, and because of that, things are going to shift for you guys. Okay, look what we have, the last card, ladybug. Good luck. You are a bright energy. Let worry go and be happy here and now. Feel good about being a loving and colorful you bless the way you bless the world with color and good luck. Look, so yeah, there is good luck coming for you guys, because you are becoming more observant, I feel like. So you know what opportunity will be good for you, what opportunity is not good for you. If Yeah, I feel for some of you, your DMs will be like, yeah, maybe I feel like, if you're if you are on Instagram, maybe a lot of people might message you, because I feel a glow up also for you guys. Maybe you will post some picture on Instagram, and that will get a lot of likes or something. But definitely a lot of good luck in love, in your career, and I feel like whatever you'll do, you will have a little bit of good luck, and you don't see it right now. And remember, you are colorful. Remember, you are worthy. You are beautiful the way you are. Okay, and don't let anyone else thoughts about you. Sometimes people say something, and that is not correct, right? You don't have to take that energy. Maybe they are saying because of their own insecurity, who knows, right? You don't have to take it. So just remember that, and remember, you can create with universe. And that's it for group number 1. Bye bye, take care. Group number two, if you chose this pink butterfly, let's see what you don't see coming. Okay, the unexpected. With this pink butterfly, your prayers, your angels are listening to your prayers, your desires, they are being going to be answered. That is the first thing, and you don't see it right now, you don't have that. So keep that faith and hope alive, because yes, they are listening to you. You sometimes we feel like that they are not listening to us, but no, you're wrong. They are listening to you, and have that faith, have that hope, and that is very important right now. Okay, and so the first card, I'm getting this number 4 for you guys, and interestingly we have the first card with number 4. Okay, so with this acceptance, look, your angels have accepted the way you are. Now it's time to accept yourself the way you are. Your angels love you the way you are. Remember that. And I feel what you don't see coming is, you in the future you are going to accept yourself. You're going to love yourself. And for some of you, if you haven't been accepted by someone, or maybe you have a crush or something, maybe you like a person, and you said your feelings to this person, and at that time this person didn't accept you. But what I see is like, maybe for some of you it's just a specific message. Maybe for some of you this person might accept you. Okay, so some kind of acceptance is happening here, but what I feel more is like, you're going to accept yourself. Maybe you have always tried to change yourself for other people, maybe in relationship also, in friendship also, in career also, to vibe with the co-workers. You have changed yourself, but you're not going to do that anymore. You are accepting yourself, because for some of you, I even feel like you have gone through a major spiritual awakening or something like that. Definitely I feel like that for you guys, and that has made you feel like that you're worthy, you are enough, and you don't have to be someone else to be accepted, right? So for some of you are like, if you're LGBT or something like that, you are accepting yourself, you're accepting your flaws, you're accepting your talents, you're accepting everything, and you're understanding that you're whole, right? And you're understanding that it's important to it's, you're like understanding that outer beauty is just something that will fade away. It can fade away at any time. All that stays is our own inner beauty. Yeah, so you are, for some of you, definitely there is like inward journey. I see for some of you, you are connecting with yourself more. uh, I'm like getting some twin flame energy also here. For some of you, maybe you are trying to you will get married, or maybe you will get proposed, and you don't see that happening. So some of you, I feel like that also. Maybe suddenly this person will propose, and you like everything will be very quick, the marriage and all. So that is also something I feel for you guys. But definitely there is a lot of acceptance. With this birds, but I feel like your angels are always around you. You have a guardian angel that always protects you. I even feel like you have a spirit guide that is very protective of you, or maybe an ancestor also that is like very protective of you. uh, yeah, you're very protected. That is also, I feel like. So yeah, for some of you, you might be praying that about, you might be praying, yeah, uh, like my crush likes me back or something like that. Maybe that will happen. But definitely it's more I'm feeling is more acceptance, or you're accepting yourself. That is what I feel strongly, and you don't care about other people whether they accept you or not. So, and remember that divine loves you the way you are. You don't have to change anything. When we change ourselves, that is when we feel that jealousy, that's when the ego comes, right? When we try to change, when we try to get into that, yeah, this is what society says, we have to have this job, we have to have that status, right? That is when this ego and all comes, and we don't listen to our intuition. You are like letting go of that ego. Now you're understanding like your whole, something like that. Maybe you're meditating also. Maybe, yeah, maybe you're reading a lot of spiritual books or something like that. But definitely there is growth for you guys. Your wisdom is going to be expand. Okay, you're going to be very wise. So whatever your age is, doesn't matter, you're very wise also, I feel like. And you will accept people for who they are also. Okay, That is also, I feel like you're that judge, I feel like. Yeah. I'm getting, yeah, whatever you do, you will do in the future, that will bring fairness to other people, that will bring a lot of light to other people, right? So yeah, look at that. This is you, I feel, the thinking woman. Gender doesn't matter. You're going to learn a lot of things. You will have a lot of wisdom. For some of you, you are meant to be teachers, maybe spiritual teachers. Not all of you, of course, but you can be teachers. You can be like. You can be a mother who will teach their kids good things, right? Giving good advice to other people, maybe becoming a teacher to your sister. That is also, that it can be that also, right? Yeah, it doesn't have to be in a big way, but it can be like, you will be giving advice, you will be teaching them things, you will be learning at the same time, you will be teaching, you will be learning a lot of books, you will have a lot of wisdom. And through this wisdom, you're going to change your life. And not only you're going to change your life, but definitely what I see is, you're going to change other people's life also in some way. You are going to change other people's life, you're going to bring happiness to other people, and you don't know about that right now. I feel like this is going to be very like, you're like, no, I'm not. Maybe some of you know that yes, you're meant for that, your purpose is that. For some of you, you feel like maybe through books, maybe through your blogs, maybe through your videos, like you are going to heal people in some way, right? Through your wisdom. Definitely, I feel like that. And again, we have this 4 here. I was telling you, I saw that 4 4. It's all about stability. You're going to be stable, you're going to be secure. You don't have to think about your security, you don't have to worry about your security, because you're so protected, you guys, okay? Your angels are always with you. But yeah, definitely, I feel all your life you will be reading a lot of things, you will be gaining information, you'll be reading a lot of books, a lot of spiritual stuff also, I feel like. And if you haven't started right now, I see you will be doing, and you don't know that right now. Something inside of you is going to change. If it hasn't already shifted inside of you, it's going to change. And for some of you, maybe a person will say, oh, this book is good, very good, you must read it, and then your life is going to change because of that book. A book is enough to change your life, your perspective, right? So something about that is also, look, we have this butterfly again, the change, the transformation is all inside of you. You're accepting your flaws, everything, and you will tell people to do that. Right? To accept. Again, look, we have the number 4 again. Interesting. We have 4 here, 4 here, 4 here. For Bilwan, it was like 3 3 3. But for you guys, it's 4 4 4. Maybe you are life path 4. It's not necessary though. But look, details. You are going to get a lot of signs from your angels, archangels. That is also, I feel like, and you will be able to decode it. You will be able to decode your dreams. You will know exactly what you're dreaming, what your dreams messages are. I feel like that your intuition is going to be so strong. Or for some of you, you will be like getting into the book, you will buy a dream decoder book or something like that, and you'll be researching, you will be getting into the end of that, something like that. But definitely your dreams will give you a lot of messages. Maybe you're seeing number 444, you're seeing a lot of numbers. So yeah, you're going to research a lot about it, you're going to get the message, you will be able to decode the message. So for some of you, maybe you're right now you're not able to decode what is happening, but in the future, I see definitely you will be able to understand what the universe is telling you. Okay, so that is a, yeah, that is what I feel like. You are becoming more strong, more courageous. Maybe in the past you were that introverted child that doesn't like to communicate with other people, and I feel for many of you, you will be surprised by how you communicate with other people, because you're meant to communicate in some way. Definitely, even though if you are introverted, when it comes to your work, when it comes to spreading that wisdom to other people, you will be like, wow, you will be good at communicating things. That is what I feel like. Okay, yeah, at that time you will not care whether you know this person or not, you will be talking about it. So I even feel like that you have been introverted all your life. Maybe you will slowly open up yourself. You will communicate with strangers. Maybe you have problem communicating now with strangers. You don't like to talk, but I see that also is shifting because you work your knowledge. You like to share with people. You will like to like make people life easier because you have this knowledge, you have this wisdom, and you're like, yeah, I want to share this, and they will also have a good life. You are kind people. Yeah, maybe it's your purpose to do that, so you will be very much um, yeah, you will feel like doing it. So yeah, you're getting out of your comfort zone. That is what your comfort zone is. You're in your own space. You don't like communicating. I feel for some of you don't like talking too much or something like that, but you're getting out of your comfort zone. Look at that, the bold step forward. I was talking about that. Look, we have 55 number, and yeah, definitely you're changing, and you don't know, you can't see that right now. Definitely this is like something that will happen. You are going to look, you will open one gate. You have already opened this gate, now you're going to walk and you will open this also. You are going to change. Definitely a lot of change, a lot of changes for you guys. You're going to become more bolder, more wiser. For some of you, yeah, you will be rebel. Rebel type of energy is also I'm getting. You will be doing something that for the society that not everyone does. Maybe for some of your purposes like very big. Yeah, it will take a lot of boldness, right? Yeah, yeah, but definitely what I feel like, you will accomplish everything because you will have success. The reason is your angels are with you, and you have that faith, right? And even if you feel like that you're not bold enough to take that step, you will be. Interesting. Next, like happiness. I was talking about, you're meant to be happy, and you will spread that happiness to other people. You are going to make other people's life easy because right now you're learning. Maybe for some of you, you'll be learning this stuff. Maybe you're learning right now, you're understanding the universal laws, concept, or whatever area you are interested in, you're learning your. And in the future I see you teaching that, making other people's life simpler, right? So yeah, all you need to have embrace is playful living. For some of you, you will be doing that. You will be having the fun, joy, that kind of living I see for you guys. Yeah, meditating every day, getting up. Yeah, be the master of playful learning. Release expectations and enjoy every day. Let worry go and instead choose love. Surrender to the waves. Your good destiny of love is sure. Yeah, for some of you, definitely I told you the message. Maybe for some of you, you you always wanted to be with this person, but you were so afraid to say that three words, or maybe say that I like you, and now you will take that further step, and I feel you will be accepted by this person, and you'll be feeling so happy, so stable. For some of you, that is also I feel like, but definitely that's just a small message. Your purpose is big, and you don't know about it right now. You don't know completely about your purpose. You know a little bit of that, but definitely things are going to open up for you guys. Okay, so definitely that's a good thing, right? Okay, bye bye, take care guys. Group number 3. So let's see, if you choose this butterfly, let's see what you don't see coming, what is unexpected. A lot of joy and optimism is coming into your life. I feel like that if you are not so optimistic right now, you are going to be that. You don't see that right now, but things will happen, and you will become a little bit more optimistic, a little more joyful. You will be enjoying life. Okay, so that is what the first thing. And we have purity card, so things are going to, yeah, with this purity card, like detox, the things that are not serving us is leaving you. Okay, even though you're holding on to the things that are not good for you, it is going to go away from you. That is what I feel like. The relationship, you feel like that, sometimes because of society pressure or whatever it is, we feel like that we have to be in this relationship even though we are not happy. So if you are not happy, if you are not feeling good energy with this person or something like that, I feel that is going to go away from you. The career that you're not satisfied, that is going to go away from you. So yeah, you are releasing the things that are not good for you, but you are in that, you want that things because of your comfort, or because you feel like you have to do this. Sometimes we feel like we have to, because we have to show to other people, right? We have to show to our parents, we have to show to our friends or something like that. You That is going to go away, because yeah, because you're not happy in that thing. But in the end, this will be for your own good, and because of that you will be able to love yourself more. Okay, so with this card, I also feel, choose loving thoughts. Whenever you talk to yourself, be good to yourself. Don't be so hard on yourself. Sometimes we are so hard on ourselves, right? So it's important, you don't be so hard on yourself. Even if you lose a job or something like that, don't be so hard on yourself. If you lose a relationship, don't be so hard on yourself, because that relationship was not meant for you, because you were not happy there. So if it is taken away, don't be hard on you. Okay, that is what I feel like. For some of you, I feel you are going to use a lot of positive affirmations. You are trying to be more optimistic, and yeah, and slowly but surely you will get there. Okay, don't put too much pressure on you, remember. Okay, maybe you have taken other people's responsibilities for so long, and you have stopped caring about yourself. Like, finally I see that you will be caring for yourself, and you are like, I don't want to take this responsibility, please take it. You are not going to take everything on your shoulder. You're taking stand for yourself. I feel like you will be doing that. And for some of you, maybe you will travel to a cold place or something like that. Maybe you always wanted to travel there. So some of you, yeah, that is also I see for you guys. And with this white, maybe for some of you, I even feel like that you're gonna leave a relationship that was not good at all, and you will enter a relationship that is like the best for you. Something something about that. Maybe this relationship will be very different, or maybe it's not what your parents wanted, but it will make you happy, something like that. Okay, yeah, again we have contract, like signing contracts, like new marriage contract, like getting married, like for some of you it's like getting out of a bad marriage. For some of you it's like signing a new job, new opportunity. If you had this court cases, like winning the case, something like that. Your things are going to be in your favor, and you don't see it now. So that's why spirit guides, angels are telling to have positive thoughts. Keep that positive thoughts alive, because definitely things are going to be in your favor. If you're dealing with some court issues, but definitely there is going to be a lot of balance coming here. And for some of you, definitely you are going to get an opportunity. Seize that opportunity. Don't let fear take away that opportunity from you. For sometimes what happens, when we get an opportunity, because of our fear, we don't take action. So don't let that happen. Okay, definitely if you have lost job, there is a possibility of getting a new job. For some of you, entering like a new relationship, getting married with this person, something like that. Or maybe buying a home together, living in together, that is also quite possible. Like signing home contracts, that can be possible here. Yeah, something about that. I feel like, look, wow, yeah, things are not going to be stagnant anymore. So maybe for some of you, there is a case happening that is very slow, very slow. You're feeling stuck. When this will be over, it will be over. Okay, things will speed up, and you don't see that right now. And we have the number 10 here, and it's like endings. Yeah, you are ending something in your life, and there is a new start happening for you guys. So for some of you, you're trying to get a job, and you're like, when will I get this job? It's coming. Okay, for some of you, when I'll be able to travel, you will be able to travel. So yeah, things are going to move forward. For some of you, are mentally stuck, you will be getting out of that. Okay, for some of your work is like not moving forward, that will move forward. Okay, whatever your case is, there is movement coming. Look, with this ostrich, she's so fast, right? So yeah, so things are going to speed up for you guys. So whatever if you felt like you're stuck, or whatever you're feeling right now, that is going to move away. Okay, remember that things are going to move for you guys. Yeah, perfect storm. So I told you, maybe things might be taken away from you guys, but that will be for your own best. And for some of you, it's like you will get an opportunity. So because of your fear, don't lose that opportunity, seize that opportunity. So yeah, with this number, look, we have number 44. Whatever the storm is going to be, at the end it will be a blessing in disguise. That is what I feel like. So the only the things that is not serving your highest good will be taken away from you, okay? And you're going to enter into a new life. You'll be more courageous, you will be more confident. Look, the courage to step into life for some of you, yeah, like you will be divorcing this person and getting out of a relationship, but you will be entering into a more courageous state. You will be happy in yourself. Sometimes, yeah, when things are gone, it makes us more courageous, and it gives us happiness, because later you will realize that how stuck you were in this relationship, and you will not have that stuck feeling. Yeah, sometimes we, because we feel, sometimes we stay in a relationship, I feel, because to show to other people, right? We do that. So it's a bold step, but this step will make you happy in the future. That is what I see. So yeah, for some of you, as I told, or yeah, if you get an opportunity, don't let fear take away that opportunity from you, guys. Okay, look, patience. Yeah, definitely have little more patience, guys. Everything is going to move forward right now. That is what your angels are like telling you. You don't see that right now, that you feel like you're stuck in this relationship, or you're stuck in this divorce thing, or you're stuck because you're not getting a job. Have patience, guys. Things are going to move forward, okay? Create a place in nature's stillness and be renewed. Take time alone to find balance. Step confidently towards your purpose. Patience will bring you rewards. So yeah, as this card says, so whenever you feel very stuck, whenever you feel like you're overthinking a lot, get into stillness. So maybe for some of you, get outside, into the nature. If you have a tree, connect with that tree. Or if you have plants inside your home or outside, wherever, if you have plants, just connect with them. If you have children, connect with them. They will give you a lot of good energy, because the vibration is high. Okay, so if you are not able to meditate, do these things. Or if you are able to meditate, if you like meditation, go ahead, do that, and you will be very peaceful. And when we meditate, we balance our energies, right? So it's important you maintain that balance. We have this also, right? The best skills. So it's important you maintain that balance within yourself. That is very important, okay? Look, elephant, greatness. Yeah, with this elephant, it's all about good luck. I'm getting, yeah, things are going to be okay for you guys with this elephant. And if you believe in Ganesh, Lord Ganesh, I feel like he is removing the obstacles, right? He is the yeah, he removes the obstacles. So yeah, you right now we have this movement also, and yeah, you are feeling stuck. You're feeling that things are not moving forward. If one thing move forward, then you have another obstacle. So remember, Lord Ganesh is here with you to help to remove these obstacles, okay? So if you pray, if you work with him, yes, he is with you, okay? Love is your strength, leadership is your path, your wisdom inspires everyone you meet. You can overcome any problem, you will naturally and easily achieve success. So remember, you can overcome any problem and you will achieve your success, because you're meant to achieve your success. So right now, uh, don't think too much, don't overthink. Whenever you're overthinking, get into that stillness, balance your energies. That is the important thing for you guys right now. Choose more loving thoughts, have positive affirmations, okay? Keep on working on yourself, and yes, things are going to move forward, even though right now you don't feel like that, right? You're feeling like, maybe for some of you, you're feeling like lack, you're feeling alone, you're feeling like you are lonely. So get out of that energy. That is very important, okay? That sometimes it's important, because when we are in this energy of overthinking, the overthinking manifests. So yeah, but definitely things will be okay. So just get out of that energy, shift your energy, okay? So that's it for group number 3. Bye bye, take care.